Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to visit Canada. So to do that, we need to touch on three things. First of all, do you need a visa to come to Canada? If that's the case, we're going to show you how to apply for a visitor visa, and if not, how to apply for an ETA or electronic travel authorization. So first thing first, do you need a visa? So here we are on the Government of Canada's official website. You're going to find the link to this page on the description. And as you can see, we need to answer a few questions here. So what documents are you traveling with? We're going to answer passport. And based on your country of residence, they would tell you whether or not you need a visa. For example, let's take someone from Chile. Are you a dual Canadian citizen? That's no. So if you're from Chile, you will not need a visitor visa. Now, let's take another example. Someone who comes from a poor country, let's go with Eritrea. So here, same thing. Are you a dual citizen? No. Are you a lawful permanent resident of the US? That's also a no. And what do you want to do in Canada? Visit family or friends. Are you visiting your children? That's a no. And as you can see, the answer is different. Here you need a visitor visa. So the visitor visa is $100 compared to only $7 for the ETA, and it's a much longer process. So if you do need a visa, you're going to need to apply for a visitor visa. If not, if you're lucky enough to come from a rich country, then you will need only to apply for an ETA, and the process is completely different. One is cheap and easy, and the other is expensive and complicated. Okay, so in the first case, we saw that the candidate from Chile doesn't need the visa, they need an electronic travel authorization. So for that, we're going to go back to the government website, and here we have the page that show us how to apply for the electronic travel authorization. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Basically, what you need is your passport, your travel information. So when are you traveling? Which company are you traveling, the dates, time, etc., and your credit card to make the $7 payment. You can do it all online. Here you have forms if you want to have more details about it, but it's really straightforward, and we're going to show you on another video how to do it together. Now, for the visitor visa, it's a different story. This is the page for the visitor visa. You'll find the link in the description as well. But here the process is much longer. You need to prove a lot of things. And anyone who asks for a visitor visa has to prove to the Canadian government that they will not stay in Canada at the end of the stay. That means that at the end of the trip, they will go back to their country. So they need to prove that they have reasons to go back to their country. So here we're going to answer these few questions as well. Where are you applying from? This is outside of Canada. How do you want to apply? As you can see, you can apply both online or on paper. I highly suggest that you do it online just because it's faster and you can track your application in real time instead of back and forth mailing. And once you click on get instruction here, you will have the full list of what you need to do to apply online. We're not going to cover this in this video, but the next video will show you how to apply for a visitor visa, and I'll be doing it at the same time with you so you could follow along. So to sum it up, you need to find out if you need a visa. If that's the case, apply for a visitor visa. If not, apply for an ETA. I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for the two next videos that show you how to apply for an ETA and how to apply for a visitor visa. And I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.